In this video we're going to provide an overview of Polyboard's libraries. Polyboard is not a drawing program like CAD, instead you assemble elements of a project as you would in real life. This makes it much faster and more intuitive than CAD. Many of these elements are stocked in libraries and we pull out the elements we want to use and add them to our projects. Let's take a look at the list of libraries you'll be using. So if we go up to the Libraries menu at the top, we've got panel materials and bar materials near the top. Polyboard is able to use both types. Let's click into panel materials. All major manufacturers are included. We've got Egger, Formica, Chronospan for example. Let's click on an Egger, click Browse, and there we've got a large library of materials we can pick from. Let's close that. Go back to our Libraries menu. We've got an Edges Materials library here as well. This allows us to stock any edging material we want and apply it to our projects. We've got some specialist libraries next, which include a range of design elements. Let's just take a look at the 3D accessories one for now. Click in here, let's change the view. Here we've got a stock of 3D visuals we can apply to our projects. And finally, let's go into the fittings or hardware library. Let's select Blum door hardware here. So as you can see, we've got a huge range of pre-configured library elements ready to use, but everything is completely customizable. So you can create exactly what you need, often by simply copying what already exists. Here's the duplicate button, and then modifying it to your requirements. Now you can add a piece of hardware, a material or other library element to each part of a project in turn, but the real power of Polyboard is when they're linked to manufacturing methods and applied across entire projects automatically. We'll take a look at how libraries are built into manufacturing methods in our other videos. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.